Hello everyone, and this time we introduce a new concept which is a sigma notation. Sigma notation is exactly an expression of the series that last time we learned series, right? And a sequence. Series is a summation of all elements in a set, right? So now we can see this is the formula. So how do you look at this? How do you interpret about this? So if there's a function fi and the start from I, and then this is a summation of the ifi plus I plus 1 until m, right? This start from I until m. So this, because this z looks like z, right, is a sigma, so we call this sigma notation. You might will say, why we learn this? I told you, there's very important, okay, and very useful in future. Let's give example that I see here. They have 1 plus 2 plus 3 6, right? This is a summation, right? How we write it in the sigma notation? Okay, so let's just write here. uh, I'm not sure if you like to use the blue ink. Let me try the blue ink. So, of course, first is copy the sign. Maybe it's not striking. Okay, wait. Let me make it a little thicker. Thicker will be okay. 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 So let's see. So start from this will be the I. Okay. Then definitely here I is a number, right? So I start with 1 until 6. So this is expression. Okay. Let's see some example. First, the example what I ask you to do is expand the summation, sigma notation, and simplify. Simplify is to simplify this summation to the most easy and most clear expression. Okay. So first, let's analyze. This one is a plus, right? Is a plus. This one, and the I start from 3 until 5. So start from 3 until 5, 3 4 5, so totally have 3, right? So totally have 3 summation of element. So let's do it. So first is 5 times 3 plus 9, right? The second will be what? 5 times 4, right? Plus 1, right? Plus 9. The third will be, what this looks like weird. Third will be what? 5 times 5 plus 9, right? So look at, they have 3 9, so 3 9 is 29. Oh, sorry, 3 9, 27. And then this is what? 15. And this is what? 20. This is what? 25, right? So what's the final result? If they ask you simplify, which means ask you the final summation, right? If you just put here, you can say expanded already, but it's not simplified, right? So this will be this will be 40 plus 60 plus 27 is what? 87, right? Anyway, if you are watching this video, if I am not guaranteed I'm 100% right, because I'm also doing this one. So if you find I have some mistake, please help me to point out, so I can let others know that they will not make this mistake. Okay, thank you. So let's see for about this one. So I start from 1 and until 4. So 1 2 3 4, they have 4 times, right? So let's write in. The first one will be plus 1, right? Then plus the second one, 3 2 plus 1. And then the third will be 3 to the third power plus 1. Then 3 to the fourth power plus 1, right? So totally they have 1 2 3 4 4 4 plus 3 plus what? 9 plus what? 27 plus 81. So what this looks like? 12, 21, 20, 12, 21, 21, 21 is 48, right? 48 is 129, right? Yeah. Okay. Here's an example. Ask you to writing in sigma notation. Sigma notation, we already know what this looks like. So for this one, how do we write this? Let's first analyze. Start from A2, and then they did not go to A3. Direct go to A4, and then jump again, go to A6, right? So what we should like, it looks like sigma, right? So also start from I equals to what? 1. And until what? Later, let me writing it first. I will writing this as 2i. Am I right? So every time times 2. So they will miss the A3, A5, right? So start from 1, 2, and how many times to miss? 15 times, right? 15 times is A30. So that's it. Okay, so thank you very much for joining session. Please expect and take a next session. Next session we'll have more rules, and the property of sigma notation will be very interesting. Okay, thank you very much for joining this session.